Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the Lancer Tactical Interceptor SPR. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Hey guys, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Lancer Tactical Interceptor SPR. The cost of this gun is $140 on Amazon. It's not on e-Vike, I don't know why, but you can go check out Lancer Tactical shop, they have it on there. So we're going to be talking about the box next, what was in it. So in the box, this gun comes with a 9.6 volt nunchuck battery. Standard 300 to 400 round high cap M4 mag. Sights on the front. Leave the back one. There. And then I'll show you the other side and what's in it. So you got the dust cover, which does flip up. Got the safety and fire selector back here. Safe. Semi and full auto, and that's about it that you're gonna find in the box. Alright, so the next thing we're gonna be talking about is weight and makeup of the gun. This gun weighs around 4.5 pounds and is made of mostly polymer. The whole barrel cover is all polymer. Even the rails are polymer. Front sights are polymer except for the steel insert right there. The end of the barrel is metal once you take the orange tip off, which you can see we did take it off. The upper and lower receiver are also polymer. Stock is polymer. Grip is polymer. And the lower receiver seems to be a little tougher, but it's still polymer. So what this does is just keeps the gun really light, but still remains durable. So you got your M4 mag, which is all metal, 400 round capacity. And that's about it for weight and makeup. So the next thing we're going to be talking about is parts and FPS. For parts, some of the main things you might want to buy are the magazine and the batteries. So the magazine, this is an M4 mag, very popular, can be found for under $20. This is a high cap. And this nunchuck or butterfly type battery, whatever you want to call it, can be found on e-Vike for around $25. So the FPS on this gun is about 390 to 400 FPS. So the next thing we're going to be talking about is BBs. For BBs, I use .2s in this gun because they fly pretty far and don't seem to hop up too much. So that's it for BBs. So I'm sorry that you can't see the target, but I basically hit every shot, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe.